In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures and text boxes and how to format them. To insert a picture from your documents, go to the Insert Ribbon tab, click on that, and you'll see this area here called Illustrations, this group, and click on Picture. And if you had a picture from your files, just select it and click Insert. And the object will come up. Now you'll see a new ribbon tab show up, and it's called Picture Tools Format, and this is where we're going to be doing a lot of our formatting. So when you select any object inside a Word document, it shows up with this extra set of tools called the Picture Tools in the Format ribbon, and it also shows up with these sizing handles and what's called a bounding box, basically just to allow you to resize or crop or edit this picture. So when these boxes appear around the object, you can actually click on any of these and you'll see your cursor changes, and you can actually resize an object. And if you actually wanted to maintain the proportions of the object, you can actually resize from any of the corners, and that you can see it actually doesn't morph the object like it did before. It maintains the relative size of the object. So I'll just show you a few things that you can do quickly with your pictures in terms of editing and formatting them. You can change the brightness and contrast using corrections. You can sharpen and soften the image, and if you just click on any of these, it would apply that at formatting. You can also change the color and saturation, and this is kind of interesting to look at. You can put some artistic effects onto your image as well. You can compress the pictures. Now this is a really useful tool, and what you can do is actually, if you wanted to decrease the size of these pictures, because if you're say doing a large project with a lot of pictures on it, and it's going to increase your file size each time you put in more and more pictures, you can actually compress the size of the pictures that are in your document. If you don't need to really have a professionally printed document, this is more of use in a PowerPoint, but you can also use it in Word, and it just allows you to make your files a lot smaller, which allows you to make sure your files are more portable. So if you just click on this, if you make the pictures small enough for email, then it should be good enough to show on your screen, and it should print okay, but just as long as you know it's not for professional printing. It'll look a little bit blurrier when you print it out, but it looks fine on your screen. You can make changes to, you can change your picture from here as well. You can reset the picture at any time to change it back to the original picture. You can add a border to your picture. You can add other effects such as a shadow. And again, here you can change the picture layout. Text wrap is a good one to show you here. If you can put your text, or your picture behind the text. You can put it in front of the text as well. You can put it through. If you put a text wrap around the picture, you can move the picture anywhere in the document, and the text will move with that. So it gives you a little bit more options when you're formatting and working around a picture. So definitely use the wrap text around your picture if you want to be able to move your object around.